Oh, snap.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Right now I'm super excited. I did tell you guys a while back that I'll be doing some collaborations with a YouTuber called Spearfishing Jamaica. Yo, this has been way back from my verse video where I said something about fishing in Jamaica or whatever the case is. He gave me a link on that video and I was just like, alright, cool, let's make it happen. It's gonna happen right now. It's about 6:35 at the moment. I'm getting ready to head to Portland. Yo, we're doing it for YouTube. We're trying to, experience life, and also at the same time show you guys, what's about. Today's video is supposed to be about a crab catch and cook. Yo, if you love crabs, stick around for this video. I'm about to finish getting ready and we're about to go to Portland. Yo! Raj! Yo, service up as a body, Alright guys, so we finally reached to Raj in Portland. Funny thing is that he was saying that he really hoped that today it rains, because if it rains I don't know more crab. Bruh, the rain I know, Jano. Alright guys, we're in a beautiful Portland. No, I'm going to lift up the camera. I'm on tall. Yo, the boss just so don't know, say yo, Raj from Spearfishing Jamaica, you see me I say? So what do you know? You gotta carry go to the market?
Yeah, we'll go to the market first and get some seasoning and pepper and them things.
Madam, but so I'll jump with the iPhone so we can get some film.
Yeah, pepper.
So I get the things them right now. So I get people. Pepper. Red, gold and green is there, Rasta man. Hey, we can't get breadfruit too. Eh? Was I eat the crab them by themselves, so?
Oh, yeah, breadfruit.
Alright, so we just got into the supermarket right now. Soup mix. I don't know about. So let me ask a question. What make you use a chicken soup mix? I know you use something there, I call it like a fish soup mix. Seen it as seafood we do. No? Just tradition, it does. It's not change. So you look for also jerk seasoning?
Yeah.
Okay. Find it? So get jerk seasoning and some salt. Alright, I eat that. Play with Jamaican dog and how they run the streets, Right, and bridging dog them. I go pick up his spear gun and see it.
Video.
That's what I see you make on the video?
No man, it's a different one. You want to make one video?
Them dead. Blow, see breadfruit there, yeah? What we are talking about? Roast some breadfruit. If you guys don't know, I just love breadfruit. Yo, when you roast breadfruit and you get the smoky flavor from it, it's one of the nicest things. So, me personally, I'm gonna have some roast breadfruit with my crabs today. So I'm just stop to get some green bananas. Raj say I'm gonna go drop it in the pot, so the vibe. Yo, what's that man? AK-47. Yeah, man, that one a balance,
That one a new one.
New one.
Yeah.
Yeah? Guys, it's my first time ever holding a spear gun. So, for those who might be wondering why we're carrying the spear guns, we're going to be spearing the crabs today. Reason being, it's a lot faster, he said, right?
Yeah.
It's a lot faster to spear the crabs. But we have to cook them pretty quickly, no? Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like Like, man, I think about the crab them already.
Yeah, me.
Yo guys, I'm sure I saw this in one of his videos before, and let me tell you, man, this is crystal clear. This is crystal clear, man. Yo, alright, let's continue. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, I hate, man. So as we're walking, guys, you see all these right here, crab holes.
There's one crab in that hole right there.
Really?
So I'll be the first one. Alright.
Yo, gunman in Sheol, shit like that.
You see crab?
No.
Shit, come let me miss you know.
You miss?
No man in the funny.
This funny?
Yeah, see man. Shit. Hold on, I'm change out my shirt.
Alright, so Roger, for change off the shirt, cause I don't know if I got mud up and thing. So putting on the gloves, cause you know crabs can, you know, they really nip you.
So I'll be the first one.
First crab of the day.
Shit, my whole him paw.
You hold him claw?
Yeah. One big one, you know.
It's big.
Yeah.
Remember I said we need to catch a couple of them live, you know, cause my girlfriend need it live.
Yeah, we have to go dig out them one day. Alright, man, come up.
Oh, snap. Oh, look at that. So what kind of crab? You said they're blue-shelled crabs?
Blueback crab, we call it.
Blueback crabs, land crabs, yeah?
Land crab.
These
So
are
the first one that's in the back.
very first one. Oh yeah. So that crab was pretty much impromptu. We never really planned to catch him, but he was there. So, you know, getting ourselves ready again to continue to where we need to get to. Yo, the water is clear. Wow. Alright, so you might be wondering where we're gonna put the crabs. We're gonna be dropping it into what we call a crocus bag.
Crocus bag. I almost miss him, you know, because if you come over the camera and just run go down.
In camera, sure.
Yeah, inside of the camera.
That was grab you, you know, man.
Alright, we can't lift in two, you know.
Yeah, let's go
back. Alright, so we go to the next spot.
Wow, here is just relaxing. Alright guys, so we are about to change off so we can cross that water right now. Yo, Roger tell me say I need to put my hand in the hole to catch crab. Yo, listen. Hey. Yo, if you guys want me to do that, yo, drop some likes on the video right now. Get this video to like 1,000 likes if you want to see us do like more videos like these, you see me? Like some old Jamaican traditional things, and for me to put my fingers in that hole. So yo, seeing that Roger and I are gonna be doing more videos, I'm gonna get myself a what you call it, a wet pants?
Yeah,
like a skin suit, because like wearing these jeans, these old jeans to go there. Yeah, but anyway, I put in my Crocs in sport mode so I can go in the water. And yeah, I got my wet bag, so my stuff should be okay. Alright guys, I changed over. I look like a jackass, to be quite frank. Like, what the hell is this? Like, need a wetsuit. This man like him in a habitat, watch it. Everything look crazy. And me over here with my craziness, so anyway. Yeah, I might be mistaken, but my uncle used to give me this thing, which is like clay. You know, it's a good facial mask. It does feel the same way, same color, so I'm believing it's it. That the crabs pretty much dig up straight down from the earth, you know, so we're at war today. And humans must win.
Let's hop in.
And it's a big old panther. Alright. Oh. Yo, it better me to go. Drop my shoes, dog, I swear. Alright. The shoes are stick down in your mother. Alright, I'm good now.
I'm afraid of crocodile.
Yeah.
So on there. Come on.
Weirdo.
Hold on.
Hold on. Yeah. That truck's killing me.
Yeah, we'll take it off.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much hunkered up on, you know, a part where the sea meets with the river. It's just like, it's so fantastic. It's pretty windy out here, as you guys can realize. So we'd have pretty much laid down our stuff so we can actually go out there, free movement to just catch some crabs. And it's a vibe, yo. Ask someone now. I'm excited, like my glad bag boss. And yeah, this is definitely the clay that my uncle used to like sell. It's really good. I might carry back some home with me, who knows. It's a vibe. I don't even know why the man come with 2 guns. The extra gun is the backup gun because me and the camera man.
1 a year ago, 1 of my gun.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. None of this.
Over there, banking?
Yeah. Cross the water, over in the bush. I walk in the water and go across. Maybe we can grab 2.
Okay. I know some of you guys might be very excited in this video, but remember, be very, very quiet.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Catch it?
Oh, female too.
How do you know if it's a female? How do you know the difference?
Huh?
How do you know the difference if it's a male or female?
Alright, you know why this one more wide, the man one it's slimmer.
Oh, so this part here.
Yeah, it's wider than the male crab.
Cool.
Alright. Yeah. You just because in iron. Then you say crab in a barrel. Well, this is a crab in a bag. Alright, so we have two so far.
Alright.
Come across the water here.
Alright, I got my camera.
Do it for the vlog, baby. Walk here, sir. Go on, stay there right here. Yeah, but I'll wait.
Because I've been so focused on filming, I haven't even been trying to help him to find crabs. But when you have a camera in the water, yeah.
No, I go around that side.
You guys might notice he tries to keep the bag in the water to help to keep the fresh crabs, you know, without them going stale. So if you know anything about crab meat, you don't want to keep it off the fridge too long. You know, that's why it's sometimes better to catch them, you know, live than to actually spear them. But spearing is just a quicker method.
Where the mash it? Hold on, eh?
Nice one for the claws, man. Look at the claw on that one. Yeah, mate. It's a good one.
You get the chin claw, you know. You see? Trim claw. Got you right here. Come out here. And hard to come out of him claw. See him little him claw.
No.
Yeah, so we have 3 crabs so far. Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so he's about to reload. I'm sure some of you guys want to know how it's done.
Alright, so first I will put in a spear, like that. Bring it down. Press the trigger. Listen. Slip. Then the card line. Like this. Ready. And load it. Good.
Gunman in she hole. Just that you know, we're pretty much on private property. You can see a house over there, but Raj knows the owner, so we're pretty much good. So yeah, that's how we're able to do this here. But that's kind of cool. You just have crab in your backyard. Michelle, I know I love that.
I'm gone. Shit. I'm gone.
Oh, wow. Coconut tree on property. Huh?
Look, any bush I see, sleepy macaw call him. Any bush I see like this?
Touch on it, lock?
Yeah, let's look on him.
Why?
Because you can have macaw on him.
Oh, that mock up, okay. Yeah, when we were... Yeah, I just got joked. We were kids, used to call those bushes close up. Because when you touch them, for example, here, they close. If my history serves me correct, they used to use these to pretty much track the slaves. So when the slaves would run away, they could tell if someone had passed a particular spot. So, yeah.